Hello there and welcome to my review of the Otodine ear cleaning solution for dogs. Now this was recommended to us by our vet because our dog suffers with really gunky ears, and if you don't do anything about it they start to smell, which is obviously not very nice for anybody. So I was really pleased to see that this was available on Amazon rather than paying for it through the vet, which obviously vets tend to inflate prices, don't they? It's obviously much easier to get it from Amazon because then when you need some more, you can easily get it. So it's really straightforward to use. You just break through the cap, obviously straight into lift the dog's ear up if they've got floppy ears like my spaniel has. Pour it in till you see the top of it, and then you just massage just the side of the dog's head underneath the ears. Now, to be honest, most dogs won't like this. Ours didn't at first, but with the promise of a treat afterwards, he will pretty much do anything. And it has really helped. We have tried the cheaper brands before, which didn't really do anything. And obviously, with the approval of a vet, we much rather pay a little bit extra perhaps, but something that works and actually helps the dog and helps stop his itchy ears. So we tend to use this about once a week. Obviously if it gets bad again, perhaps use it perhaps several days in a row till it clears a bit, but it has been really effective and stopped us having to get any antibiotics from the vet, which is nice. So I hope this was useful for you, and I hope that it's as effective for you as it was for us and our dog. Thanks for watching.